A little bear named Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday! We'll save you, Piglet!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
Hello! Follow me, right this way! Steal honey, beware, beware! Have fun on the noodles, have fun on the noodles, steal honey, beware!
Slide, they come in ones and twos, but if they're so choose before the rounds will see them multiply.
What a wonderful dream!
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Happy birthday!
Hooray!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pooh!
These are all for you, Pooh Bear.
Look at all those presents!
If you don't like my present, I'll take it back.
Children love children's presents.
Wasn't that fun?